night because of this live. I haven't make vlog for recording videos because I'm so busy. We go Zumba here, Zumba every day. But I can't upload in the YouTube because there's a music. It's is a copyright and my we go dancing to make fit. Wednesday look good film. Hello doggy. Yes. Sometimes I said that I'll sleep early but I can't sleep because it's my routine. I sleep at this time. Last time I stopped for life for late at night. I transfer my life in the morning because of what happened to me that my blood pressure is going high. You just get monetized again, yes. So I take care of my video. No, you have a husband. Oh, the same. I'm a single lady. Single lady or single mommy. It's just like the same because I'm not yet married. I'm just have a son. But we do have greetings from Dexon, Cider, Germany. Hello, shout out from Dexon's Cider, Germany. Hello, Desi A. Shout out, a big shout out to Desi A from Dexon, Cider, Germany. Hi, welcome to my live and my blog. Just a future one love. What's your name, Joey? Watching from Kuwait. Hello, Jocelyn Channel. Hi, shout out. Embarrassed to look like a clothes like that. Like a boy in a clothes like. No, I'm not. I'm not a gay girl. I have my son here. Joey's future husband. Really, Joey? Are you planning? Nami, can I get be married to you as your husband, 41 years old, Luis Cineros? Hmm? You know, I'm fine. Sono Kumar. Joey, are you joking? Shout out na po ko na may hello pungko ka. Ikaw, do kay ka matulog. Si kagatang-atang ka kong live. Shout out Pungo from LOL. Nara may mag-minyo na ako dari Pungo. Kana si Joey. Joey, can you buy stickers now? Buy super stickers of your Nami addiction. Hello, 182 viewers. Thank you, Pongo ka. Ahmed, you came live but I didn't get notification. What happened? Because you didn't on that. Every time I go live, it notifies in your YouTube when you go online. I'm drunk from my in addiction of into cream donut. Hello 178. Hello day one king. Philippines are always begging for people to buy super sticker very sad. No. Because Joey is my you know my avid viewer, so I'm begging. Would you anyone support you when you ignore people messages? Why I ignore people who are bad messages, especially is not good. That's why we ignore the message. Hi to my 188. Today no makeup good. Yup. Only lipstick. Yeah, no makeup. I am good even though I don't have. You should find a real job instead of asking strangers for money. Who's that? Joey. If you don't give, then what's wrong? I don't force you to begging people. I don't ask people if you only want. Not I'm forcing people to send super stickers. Okay, it's bad, Joey. Bad. What's that name? Good, you kick him, darling Sega. No, I. That's why I'm here. It's not easy to be here in monetize in a YouTube.